Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on AliExpress. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on AliExpress app, should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on AliExpress and you will enter. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.